Hello, my name is Daniel, aka Dan Rico. So, at one point, imagine that I'm paying over 300, at one point over $500 in different subscriptions. I think at one point I even got to just over $900. Trying out different subscriptions, different apps, different LLMs, different models, and it came to a point that when I discovered this amazing platform to which I'm a partner today, I said, I believe I can just create one app that has the main use case of whatever it is I was using in the other subscriptions. So I went from using, I don't know, 20, 30 different subscriptions. I'm sure a lot of us has been there, to literally building my own app with many apps inside of it, to which I have everything that I need, where today it's not just a super app to me, as well it is for several other people, friends and business owners that are using it today, testing it out as a beta version and seeing it for themselves, where we have Vertex, which is a AI that works with your WhatsApp. We have Comparte. Well, given that, do notice that this app was first built in for a Latin community, so it was first built in Spanish. Basically, our CRM is basically an amazing flow chart of being able to manage everything from a visit to a reminder to something that you want to remind yourself in itself from the customer itself. Well, anyways, share big files. Instead of having to use Google Docs, you can also share a file where it auto destructs itself after it has been downloaded. Just for you to have an idea, I'm showing you here the marketplace to what I have created called Mentor X, where we have over 46 mini apps. So basically, anytime that I thought about something that I needed, instead of creating a different app or using a different subscription, I basically just found how to, or what did I need, what API did I need, and I just added it into here. So I have several agentic or specialized AI assistants. We have video AI creators, we have image creators, we have a smart route creator. When I'm going visit different customers, it'll create a smart route, allowing that the last visit is the one closer to my house so I can finish and already get to my house faster. We have different operation apps or mini apps. This one, Operativa, is kind of like a red book for those of you that work in the restaurant business. It kind of does that concept. Obviously, I've been in the restaurant business for a long time. So what inspired me for this operation mini app was exactly that, the red book. And then we have customer management, mini apps. We have Atlas expenses. So as you're adding expenses and invoices into your CRM, you can also see the numbers here in Atlas expenses. You can also create your products and services, so you can expose it into a mini page, landing page if you like. If you need a new logo, host a branding kit, or even create a new branding kit for yourself or for someone, you can also create it there. We also have like a Linktree style page where you can add any links or anything you may want, just like Linktree itself. So again, instead of even using Linktree in itself, I just created my own Linktree within this mini app. And as you can see, I don't know where it's going right now, what it was doing. As you can see, again, we have a lot of options. So you can click on digital contracts, for example, which is like, DocuPanda or digital contract maker. You can add, in this case, this one's already in my app. So you have marketplace where you can choose over 50 mini apps. And then once you're in my apps, all your apps will be here, and you can also add the mini apps to your favorites so you can get to them a lot quicker. So I'm using currently 49 mini apps currently that I'm also testing and trying out. We can also create music. We have calendar. I mean, it's just sky's the limit. And at the end of the day, what I really want to show you beyond, obviously, like we also have something very cool here with Maya. That Maya is a AI agent that uses a smart model. That the first question I put here, it'll use a cheaper model like Gemini Flash or even DeepSeek Flash to understand the question, and depending on what the question's about, it might use DeepSeek V Pro or something along those lines and be able to give you a better answer based on a different model. So it doesn't use only one model. It's a multi-agent or multi-model smart routing system where you can also use here modo fusion or fuse mode, where based on the input I add here, it's gonna ask or it's gonna route this question through two different models rather than just one. So what's cool about this is that rather than just paying one subscription to ChatGPT that's $20, for example, you're gonna pay 15 with Mentor X, and you can just buy more credits according to your needs. So again, it's not. I mean, even the other models, all the other subscriptions, they're not unlimited anyways. So what's cool about this is that again, we give you multiple models, different solutions, different mini apps. If there's something that you want to see and we don't have it, we can create it here, or even you say, hey, I want my own Mentor X. This is an expose, a portfolio of what we can do. I mean, one thing that's not even here, but I can show you a little bit really quickly is an admin. We have a couple mini apps here that I do not offer in the front end yet, which is because we're testing it, which is first a meeting recorder where I can start a meeting and it'll start recording and it'll give me the details of that meeting in a few different tabs. So it'll give me a main vision, it'll give me the main points, it'll give me if there's a to-do list, any actions to take, give me a full transcription, and I can still chat with the AI based on that conversation as well. So we're testing this out to bring it out to everyone available that's using the app as well. And let me see here. Another mini app that we're testing here that I can show you. So then here's another feature that we also have that we're going to roll out as well to everyone is our own Zoom. So we can basically start our own transmission here, share it with other people. They can log on to the URL and they don't have to download anything, just like Google Meets. They can just log in through a URL and share their camera and again be like a call just like Google Meets. The cool thing about this is that regardless of how you use it, if you use it on your phone or a tablet, you can still record the meeting as well. And you have AI transcription afterwards as well. So besides having over 50 mini apps, we also work on new solutions. And again, more than anything, if you're looking for something for yourself, a mini app for yourself, you need something customized, you can see that basically we can get any of these mini apps or solutions that we have built, customize it to your need. And at the end of the day, this is like a SaaS, not all shoes or not a shoe fits all people's feet. I know that sounded that didn't sound that great, but anyways, you can use our SaaS Mentor X for 15 bucks and have multiple models, multiple solutions. Or we can also build out your own Mentor X for you and your team. Or if you want to build out your own SaaS to offer it to your customers and build your own community, that's awesome as well. Count with us. Thank you very much and see you next time.